Welcome to the dumbest unboxing video in all of YouTube. If I may borrow heavily and paraphrase, and I hope he doesn't mind, Hoovies Garage, great channel, link in the description. So, here we go. Now, why am I doing this unboxing that no one's going to watch? Because, you know, who watches unboxing videos? And this will be probably the most unwatched. But anyway, which I think are fairly silly. But sometimes you learn how to do things like clip your lid on your GoPro or what button to push. But most of the time, they're just entertainment. But this is not the latest toy or gadget. This is old school toy. So, let's see. This is a pretty shitty box. It's been just dumped. And as you can see, oh, it's been broken up a bit down there. Perhaps not the best packaging. So, a lot of tape used. Let's go. Let's just rip into it. On the show. Oh, look at that. Look at this. This is amazing. Look, wow. What is in this? Magic stuff. Magic box. Better than Christmas. And here we go. There it is. Oh, looks like it's been wet on the bottom. Maybe that's oil or something. Oh, this is a bit dirty. Actually, for aluminum, it feels nice to me. Now, that, you can see, dirty box, shitty box, big hole on the side. Whoa, hey! Oh, I got a free hose. It's a brake hose. Yeah, got a free brake hose. Well, I use brake hose, too bad. Now, what is this? This, oh, you can even see it. It's an R6, 1999-2001 Yamaha R6 something. What is it? I've got no idea what this is. Oh, it's a Swingarm, that's right. It holds your tyre, and the tyre goes round in this hole here. And here, where this other hole is where the shock absorber comes out. What's this? Something. Anyway, why did I buy this when I don't even have a 1999-2001 R6 carbed model? I'm going to put a bigger tyre, and because when I'm building the FCR 600, rebuilding it, it's going to be very racy. Even more racy than it already is, hopefully. So, there you go, there you have it. The R6 swing arm that's not even going to go on an R6. There you go. 47, no. What was that? About 40 euros, 30 euros, cheap as chips. That's like $40, $50 US. For that, it only costs like $9 to ship. Amazing. Nothing. Bought it for nothing. Big shout out too. If I can find their details. Ian Stewart from the Breakers Unit. Trading House. Colchester Motorcycle Breakers in Colchester, Essex, UK. And thank you for watching the unboxing presentation.